What's up, guys? We're back and we got our second clutch of eggs. This one we're super excited about. This is another pure female. Went to the same boys last time. How many eggs do you guys think that we got?
About 15. 7. 11.
14. Oh, wait, 13. 10.
I said 14. Let's check it out.
Right, guys. Here we
Let's see if she's
go.
done.
Oh, she is protective. She's missing already. Oh. Hey, sweetie.
Hey, mama. She looked done to you? Yeah, she's nice and wrapped. Go ahead and slide it out.
Hey, Mama.
So the first thing we want to do is you get the front part of her, then get her tail unwrapped, and then make sure she's empty. If she's not empty, we'll put her right back on there.
She's empty.
So you'll be able to feel her belly.
Okay.
Okay?
Can I do it right here?
Yeah. You gotta do it fast. You don't want her to squeeze those eggs, so you want her to just get off them real fast, okay? Don't be afraid to get bit, just grab her.
I'm totally terrified.
I know.
Honey, help me.
You want me to do it?
Yeah, sorry.
All right, babe. Oh, mama. Oh, no. Oh. Oh, no, mama. I know. Looks like we got a couple slugs in there. And she, yes, looks nice and empty. That's her girl. Yeah, she's good.
All right, so our biggest female just laid eggs. Jordan actually got it right. He said 14. We had, what, 6 slugs?
5 slugs.
5 slugs
No.
and 9 good, healthy, huge eggs. I was supposed to pull rows off. It was supposed to be my first time. And I chickened out, so Jordan did it.
Is it?
0.
How does it feel when you try to pull that angry snake off?
It's terrifying. Like, thought I was ready. I mean, I had to grab one side and then make sure her tail doesn't wrap under the eggs to protect them. But she was hissing, and I lost all confidence, so Jordan did it.
You want to talk about the new racks we got set up here?
Okay, so we got some new rocks. We got them from Valle Reptiles. And it looks like we have
That hurts
some,
that for, you know what I'm saying?
That's where it's at.
Perfect.
We have some male racks, really females too if we need to. We have some juvenile racks.
They slide out just so much smoother. Looking
And
great.
the feed them breeder tubs, so as you can see they have the water bowls already in there, which is really nice. Our snakes are so much happier. You can tell, like, they don't want those, these small
You wanna
ones,
eat,
they don't want
buddy?
those huge.
Oh, you're gonna try to eat? What are you doing?
They're going.
So, how long do you keep the snakes in this size tub? Do you know?
It depends on size, so we'll probably keep them up to like 700 grams, and then once they get there, we'll bump them up to the next size up. This one is how many did you say? Like,
Usually probably around 1,500, 1,600 at the most.
so for females get bigger than that. Once they're ready to breed, we start putting them in these racks, which we are gonna have to upgrade those here soon.
Yeah.
What's really fun too is we also have our hatchling racks. They have those pre-installed holes drilled inside, which we really like, and again they have those water bowls that we love.
That's the FB5 tubs. And this is the Vision rack. But yeah, super stoked with it all. We did keep this melamine rack just in case we get some overflow and we need to keep more. But we have those all spare. All these ones are spare. We got a couple up here that are spare.
Yeah,
a couple
basically
down there.
if it doesn't have one of these notebooks on it, it means there's no snake inside. So we still have quite a few to fill.
Nice. So, how you feel about those 9 eggs?
So the 9 eggs is amazing. We were worried. At first we didn't see the veins until we turned off all the lights in the room. And then once we saw the veins, we were really relieved. I don't know, I'm excited.
They were really strong veins too. They were big.
The hard part is waiting. We have 60 days, and that's going to be torture.
Yeah, we have 30 days in our first clutch left.
Yes.
Yep.
Yes.
And then the biggest egg was 143 grams. It's a huge egg.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah.
And then what was funny is after I had to give Rose a bath and, you know, just kind of wash the scent off of her, Jordan took care of the tub, cleaned that out. Well, I didn't put my hair in a ponytail like an idiot. She wrapped around my hair. I got stuck. Jordan had to come save me. That was crazy.
Yeah. Chlorhexidine, whatever you want to call it. But that, we also got the F10SC and, you know, full sterilization on the rack and the tub she was in and everything, washed her off, soaked her, just to get her back on food. The first goat lay went back on food 4 days after she gave birth, and she's eating well now and super stoked about that.
Yeah.
You ready for the next eggs? Who do we have next?
Oh gosh, do we have our het pied girls next?
9 days.
That's pretty soon.
We have
When is Striker?
Striker's 21 days away.
Nope, Striker's this one.
Oh, Striker's 21 days away. This girl is in her pre-lay shed right now. So she'll be 30 days from the day she sheds. We actually just found out this little lady has got some really good sized follicles. What are you doing, Mama? she's been sitting in that cold spot. But she just went to the heat, so that's a good sign.
It looks like we need to wet those down though.
Yeah, all right. You ready to sign it off?
Signing off.
Get on that sticker rack. Sticker wall. All right, guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful Sunday afternoon.
Yes, I know we are.